Ghana, we are back. We have another interesting things to talk about. What is here? We are here. Abuja, we are here. Just say, I don't have one still no munya but Ghana one binom. So mo of wardrobe. Our net and so I'm off for being most spread here doing good. What is here? Mammy be babo and things on the deto for deto good swim. So shame na koto ho na pun but menya doctor menya scientist but ade bi o wa eye for the pan skin but not the inside na mo kan that the arrangement ase either way Kofi Adoma the TV say Kofi so your medical doctor na minim o ti ase Kofi ye video bi post no internet ne so wo so no say onyanya ki ono but ono no wo some kind of normal bia wo ya ebetimi aboa wo amache se adunu wo mu hwene hwan ni kura na ebeku ni fast and na duru ni padua no inside na nkasa na Kofi nkwaka bibi mi enti a o se nim 3 abusia wo abrochira wo de twen ma me freda da ba flipa na mi misal because ade a Kofi ke kan wo ho no ese wo dwen wa wonti ase nim 3 die sesen yo ase na what dey happen Oh, Charlie, Kofi Adoma e kan bibi se aduro e kan se ki ona ebetimi aboa for se ekun yade ye ekoso yi no unya nim 3 a ebetimi aboa na mi bisa se aburochire ha no unim ba bia nim 3 ho
nim 3 aburochire ha
ya
me bi krara
ndu ba tre se Kofi remedy na ono de maye no se ye di achira ye bewu ansa na ye hu ba bia nim 3 ho
sharp o se nim 3 pa ya awase kana fo nyina asaba Ghana ye be sa ya mu yare asaba
o de mi wi am from back Kofi Adoma de o de asema na o peso chire ni pa o wi asiwe no Janet choose that I love that man but on also can the same nim 3 and na e bia big meba e bia big shaky de beti mo ba bia nim 3 ni bi wo wo bia eku a Kofi Adoma e chire se so wo nim 3 a na se virus wi abai unu nim 3 no na so di ntuma kata ho na upunu nim 3 na ebe ma wo ya de nako na me bisa sa brochire ho no mo ho no nim 3 ni bi wo ho ana
no ba ha de nim 3 bi ni
na se poli o se
Africa le wo
African gwa wo
Africa kwa le wo
I see
ibi wa kwa le ebi o bush e o forest e mountains na de ni ku
nti se police ni hia wa bonten na so obisa o se wo kwan na so ka kire ni so kwatiti nim 3 a de na hwe ode be ye wo Shall you dey me from back Kofi Adoma so nim se wani aduru a na se nim 3 a make sure so person di nim 3 ni nyina bia bre wa ansa na wa ba be abusia se na woni me unsa me dwi ni pa bebre ho at the same time but se na ade ya ba atie duru Ghana no because yes was 19 se na atie si Ghana no ama hu kakra ba Ghana fu mo oti ase ba hu ne basa so a na se adwumayefo no ebinom so adwuma no ekofom one specific job where cost wo Ghana o madwuma na ekofom a chese ese ka ho asem ya shawofo abusia ashawofo ne Brennan sen pa ma chese se no hwe ne ashawofo no hu omukọ adwuma abusia mesheda ma Yakubu ye investigation about ashawofo say ne business come on this time of the season not ase nye Yakubu de ba ye ni
ashawo business nso say ya me no ka say ashawo aba from kra dwumadi na aba from say say coronavirus no affect omo so uko ba bit La Paz Vienna City odoko Kaneshi Kwashima Vigot and afen so cycle oho and e wholesale ashawo wholesale pa
abusia wo se ne Yakubu asibubu odin no de bia meka se munsuro Yakubu a wo ka se mi ditro se den oni ma shawo joint e wo Ghana nyina me ba bia na minim ye cycle o di ase but ase oh we dey kwedi
mun ina say coronavirus no affect amu papa endra me hwehwe mu a me koduru e La Paz Vigot pe na me pa me pack a me hwe say dwumadi ni san and cause wo jaza mba yo vefia mo salai amu hu kan be bra discount o e dey na discount just say amati just ashawo no business prices no amati say hu
abusia There's a shower on discount. What on that discount to the SSA?
Just say, I'm just say 50% discount. I shall 50% discount. And if I go, can this is a minimum idea. Coronavirus in tea, I shall form all a pass in a circle wholesale. No, I'm what is 50% discount.
Oh, Abusia. So I shall have a discount 50%. Yeah. Then you'll be the second computer grab it me afford.
This is a minimum idea. Coronavirus, no. I shall form all a pass in Petem circle who's selling your market prices and also a discount album. Okona Samash protective nose mask, warranty la pass pay, and about Kuduna shall wash a warranty boot and the protected coronavirus.
Oh, yeah, Abusia. And as if you're wiping yourself, shower for a mask. Oh, did try. Oh, dear, hey.
I shall have a mask for night. I shall have a mask for night.
Oh, yeah, Abusia. We're protecting and running the winning. We're be a tongue room, so be a from. So I want a discount. Hey, oh, Abusia's all the news now 10 years was we are to move Europe. We are having it west and Kasa. Kroba, we are Germany, Akasa. Germany so started picking up heat. But one good thing about Germany, the NES, almost death rate, you know. I say, well, from China, most of the African countries, European countries, you know. But unim say, now, killer K, why am I going? Who Germany? What you say? And I mean, business situation here, what BB is a military base, you know. And what's what to say? Because military for the Muslim. And I'm a man, if you base work at Krabi Mammy,
now, this is the post of Wiesbaden. I mean, you could see they have these tapes out here pretty much saying no playing around, like no one should come to the park. I'm filming from Davis' room, and I've never seen this base like looking like a ghost town like this before. You know, today the weather is nice, and usually you see people out. Everybody's indoors. Nobody's doing anything. Nothing is moving. It's like a ghost town. I'm gonna go to the front and film from Precious Room and show you what I'm talking about. So here from Precious Room, you could see the same thing. It's ghost town. Nothing is moving. Everybody's at home. They're now instituting a fine similar to what Margaret had talked about in Italy. When they see you around unnecessarily, you get 300 to 500 euro fine. All right, so that's that right here. So yeah, as I come outside, and it's dead. It's like a ghost town. You don't see anybody, nothing is moving. The weather is nice, but nothing is moving at all.
Abusia, this is weird. Now me make us military for you man say, Omu Amayen. And they are on lockdown. Oh, now military for lockdown, the assassin. What is this? Just how we want to see. But one last thing. Mukasa last time killer cave bizarre me say me here be a men kan kire na one family ma me here me ho list the man no ma me here list ni nie me here ponko mienu 2 horse me here swimming pool mienu me say here 2 AK-47 rifle wo Jack and Jones me here o montade no 400 Samsung for the new phone number me here 3 me computer me dey editing me here maku 8 iPhone 11 Pro Max o here 8 me say so here moto mienu well, after some video, no.
So I was wondering how I could get the items that you requested delivered to you. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it since I'm on lockdown and you on lockdown. And so I quite recall the president of Ghana, Nana Addo, was talking about delivering medical equipment with drones, okay?
Okay, but we have drones no one them na work no. Say I want emergency state in there. E bia ba o mia ni drones no beti maboa. No?
Now, I have a drone, but I've never delivered anything. I didn't even know that was even a thing. Amazon is still trying to figure that piece out. So, since Ghana, we are way ahead of the game and they can do it, my intent is to try deliver this bag of rice to Margaret.
Okay. Abusia, obi lock killer K down. What you say? Omo ka ho e na wiase we be saying tem no. What for drone kiti we? Afa mo bag we saying. Say what the way e ba be she we yase. Say fly military ha. What? What kind of improper fraction is that? I say Gideon near draw smart. Enkoye, what you say? Na wa oki like would you pay just a more baggy? Na for two drone so. Na pay jam one back. Now it's a drone I'm one to talk from ya. What is this?
My Abraham, when he makes it there, please let me know. So now I can deliver more food stuff to other places.
Debut, make it heaven. Italy. A video no cry to us to be what I say. Killer Gamma just had no cratia for so mammy. Oh, what kind of capital tactics is that? Oh, me name's and again, man can't draw pressing me here. Missing me here 2 horses, 8 iPhones. Now, at least can you bet me a crowd and no pen quine for sending me? Now, Papa, move back, me finding me, I know ma. Okay, like I tell you the fact is a who here deliverance. Who here will be him stick? Well, I was here video the baby, but one last aspect, one last thing I said, the camera say, still now, keep social distancing, make sure. So when you nipa being term, what I say, my distance in mrum, na sano, say, what when you make patch, my distance, Burma, or be crana ultimate transfer mount. Then my social distancing in your man, who for one sempre. Italy neighbor says sempre. So our hand sanitizer need you should be what I say. You should be not far for one second. We know a bad work a crack what I say. Unya be crana still now here when him crana when him koya. One so did your pounds how therefore when him what I say. Okay, that was a mistake. Come on, listen. Come on, away. Abuja. No, when you come. Okay, that was a bad idea. Abuja. Memo. Whoo! Memo. Memo, we have alcohol for you will regret it. I tell you the gospel truth. What I say. Memo, we have alcohol for him. And one last thing they say. Ya didn't see a sower. There were 3 stages. Ubedi Kenya cold do first. Now one now Freddy I hit her back with flu. Flu near more severe version of cold. What I say? When a fever, hard cough, baby no. I don't know if you are or who best say at all. Now Freddy pneumonia na back nearby winter me woman. Do to move up. They say in your hospital and as a country being a bit more testing citizens in and if you start noticing this type of things now, then you know say maybe Nani wafre ambulance no more mukahono. So stay fit, start practicing and as keep practicing social distancing. Each time, anytime, when your hand sanitizer, hand gel Libya, and a Ghana form to put everything in proper perspective, no. Video where
we believe we gotta take you out. You've been a burden, but we work and try to figure out. You wanna kill, so you are forcing, but now we get precaution. The world is not your portion, that is all about. Take a cover when you sneeze or cough, but with a tissue. End up eating a bean, even that is not an issue. Can you do it? Avoid it when your baby's happy kiss you. If you miss your baby, don't forget the virus also miss you. Stay 6 feet away from another. Never shake hands, even if you know to be your brother. And moreover, wash your hand using a sanitizer, but with soap. Make sure it is on around the water. Stay indoors and call if you're not feeling well. Take a shower gel. Cover your nose with a mask. Gloves on the hands, deep clean on the place. I don't got to tell.
Well, no. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click on the new video. Bye now, Saka. Till we meet again, Adios.